did your company get started?
Well, it got started, Spanco got started in 1979 by a gentleman by the name of Richard Schuylkill. And he was a founder and had the company up until 2021 when 3 of us purchased the company.
What are the different types of cranes that you produce?
We do overhead cranes, so we have, a few categories. We have our workstation cranes, those are for large areas, and then we have gantries, which are portable.
What skills does a fabrication supervisor need to be successful?
Well, for one, you have to have a good attitude, math skills, able to work under pressure, and also be able to work well with others.
How is shipping the last line of defense?
We're the last line of defense in the sense that we get the product already done and ready. We just got to make sure it's to specifications.
What are the most important duties of a logistics coordinator?
Well, I do scheduling and I communicate with the customer to set up delivery appointments. I quote freight so they know how much it's going to cost before we ship it. I do freight claims for damaged freight.
Why did the manufacturer say that basketball has no point?
Because basketballs are round.
¿Cuáles calidades tú crees que necesitas para trabajar en tu departamento?
Bueno, los mejores atributos que uno puede tener para trabajar en mi departamento vienen siendo, uno tiene que ser bien amistable con la gente, saber cómo trabajar con otra gente para después lograr el logro de enviar las piezas.
How is your job related to a referee in a basketball game?
Just keeping communication between our customer, our shipping people, our production people. I'm kind of the go-between those departments.
Why did the manufacturer fill the basketball with water?
So he wouldn't get an air ball?
On a basketball team, would production be offense or defense?
I would say offense. It's mostly moving forward.
What do you look for in a team player?
Look for attitude, that's very important. Look for aptitude, ability to learn.
In one word, what's so cool about manufacturing?
Machines.
Creation.
Process.
Trades.
Challenging.